Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. As always, it is very, very good to see you. It is day 2, ladies and gentlemen, of the Navratra festivities. Some of you are fasting. Some of you are getting ready for a night of dancing and devotion as well. And as you do that, here is the question I'm asking this evening. It is a question possibly some of you have asked yourselves after seeing the news. Are Hindu festivals only for Hindus? Should non-Muslims read non-Hindus, and you have to read Muslims here, be banned from community celebrations? I'm asking you this question as 2 ministers, ladies and gentlemen, in 2 BJP ruled states are throwing something called Garba Jihad at us. Have you heard of Garba Jihad? I hadn't till today. Well, they are saying that Garba, played across North India and West India, has become the epicenter of love jihad, where Muslim boys come to harass Hindu girls. This is their claim. Ladies and gentlemen, they say identity cards should be a must before anyone enters the Garba venue. They say when Muslims don't believe in idol worship, why should they show up at a dance celebration dedicated to the Devi? It doesn't stop there. Both these ministers, one from Maharashtra and the other from Madhya Pradesh, are warning of on-the-spot conversion of any Muslim youth who is found entering a Garba venue. First, listen in to Nitesh Rane, who is the Maharashtra Fisheries Minister, and then do lend your ears to Madhya Pradesh's Sports Minister, Vishwas Sarang.
क्या करेंगे वो लोग अंदर आके? अभी तक का अनुभव ऐसा ही है कि ये लोग इनके लिए उनके लिए ये दांडिया, ये नवरात्र के जो फेस्टिवल, ये जो इवेंट है, उनके लिए लव जिहाद के अड्डे है। अगर इनमें से कोई मिल गया अंदर, तो वहां का वहां उनका धर्मांतर कर दो।
गरबा विशुद्ध रूप से हिंदू परंपरा का, सनातन धर्म का एक धार्मिक अनुष्ठान है। जो लोग हिंदू धर्म का पालन करते हैं उन्हीं को गरबे में जाना चाहिए, जो हिंदू हैं उन्हीं को गरबे में जाना चाहिए। ये कोई एंटरटेनमेंट का कार्यक्रम नहीं है।
Now, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sarang is an MLA from Bhopal, and promptly Bhopal's district collector today has issued an order making IDs mandatory for anyone who wants to enter a Garba venue. The official reason stated, to keep sisters and daughters safe. Now, is there any debate over IDs being mandatory for any entry into any public function? Absolutely not. There is a security issue involved. There should be absolutely no problem in anyone being asked to show their IDs. But ladies and gentlemen, there is a problem if you don't allow entry based on someone's religion. After all, come to think of it, most Garbas are not private events. They are ticketed family events. Can you ask someone with a valid ticket and a valid ID of being an Indian citizen not to enter a Garba venue? Well, maybe the VHP can. That's the Vishwa Hindu Parishad. When they say that a tilak and a raksha sutra, that's the sacred thread you tie, and the Gaumutra, its sprinkling is a must before you enter a Garba venue. Maybe the VHP can say that. They are the fringe. They are not answerable to the people of this country. The people of this country don't elect them. But can state ministers get away by this quote-unquote hate-mongering? Now, interestingly, the BJP is finding support from the Samajwadi Party on the issue, with one of its leaders, S.T. Hassan, advising Muslim youth not to go for Garbas. Of course, the Congress is calling this a bid to polarize.
इस सेवा में हूँ कि किसी भी मुसलमान युवक को गरबा में नहीं जाना चाहिए। गरबा एक धार्मिक आयोजन है, किसी देवी की वहाँ पूजा होती है। इस्लाम इस बात की इजाज़त नहीं देता कि हम बुत परस्ती करें या पूजा करें, और मुसलमान खासतौर से अपनी पहचान छुपाकर जाएं, उन्हें हरगिज़ नहीं जाना चाहिए। पहचान छुपा के तो खासतौर से नहीं जाना चाहिए।
We all know that BJP wants to create a division. Their politics, RSS has groomed them like that. They wanted to create a division on the belief system. That's the thing. Then Navratri comes, means automatically they will try to create some kind of rift with other beliefs. Navratri comes when we should have peace and we should have prayers in a peaceful manner, not with conflict with other beliefs.
Taking off from Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan's BJP president now wants separate garbas for men and women. Ladies and gentlemen, question is simple. Is the Garba jihad being raked at today? Is it part of today's hate politics? Or is there actually a real concern that we simply cannot ignore? Those are the two questions we have this evening for four of my guests. Anila Singh is spokesperson of the BJP, joining us on the broadcast. Anila ji, namaskar. Ratan Sharda is an author. He's joining us on the broadcast. Good evening to you, Mr. Sharda. Charan Singh Sapra, spokesperson of the Congress Party. Thank you very much. And Asif Sohail is a political analyst. He's joining us on the broadcast. Thank you very much, and I do hope that we can keep this debate civilized. Ratan Sharda ji, I'm going to start with you to begin with. Since the issue is about Garba, and since the new terminology being used is Garba jihad, can I ask you what possibly is the problem if Muslims go for what has increasingly become a community ticketed event?
See, first of all, I do not want to get into what BJP leader has said, that that is right of the BJP spokesperson to say. But I do not understand why simple demand of devout Hindus are flayed and insulted and criticized as if there is some kind of violent reaction of some extremist Hindus. What has happened in the last so many years? All the festivals of Hindus have been reduced to so-called secular festivals or non-religious festivals, starting from Onam. Then you had Sabrimala, which was secularized. Then you had Holi, which was called a secular festival. Festival of color. Then you have this Chamundeshwari being called as not a Hindu temple. Then Vijayadashmi being called not a Hindu festival. Then you had Diwali saying it's festival of light. So why all this cross of secular being born only by Hindus, and why are religious festivals are being reduced to some secular dancing event? Is Navratri a dancing event? Navratri is a festival of puja to Durga Ma, and it's symbol of Shakti, and you want to reduce some kind of celebration, some dance festival. Your condom company advertisement you're kind of implying that the Navratri festival is some kind of free sexual festival, and then they advertise that it's condom as part of that. They say it's some kind of sexual freedom festival. No, Shreya, this is not right. Unnecessary creating this kind of outrage on something which simply now just second part of my argument, please.
Ratanji,
second part of my argument.
You said you don't want to react to what BJP spokespeople are saying. 8 minutes.
Let me complete
of course, I'll let you complete. You are saying, these are not charges I am making. I'm picking off on my debate from what people who have been elected by the people of this country are saying, number one. Also, just see the sort of things they are saying. Ratanji, I understand the point you are making, but please.
I am not a politician.
I understand that, but I'm saying there's a reason why we are debating this. Go ahead.
I am sharing the pain of a Hindu who is being abused for saying, "Mera festival, mera rehne do, bhai. Koi to mera festival rehne do." If Muslims are united to Ram Mandir, they bow to Ram, they took tilak, they were invited openly. So if any Muslim says, "I worship Durga, I am ready to take a tilak and I want to celebrate Durga Puja, I will also stand for Aarti," there is no problem. Problem is on one side you do not believe in Murti Puja, you do not believe in these rituals. They are all haram in Islam, as STS had very clearly said, and I appreciate the person to be very honest Muslim. All these are shirk, these are haram for Muslims. So why are they going there to enjoy? Are they bringing the women there? No. Women not being brought. Only men come. So if that is the whole lot of enjoying something at my religious festival, I am not happy with it.
Okay, okay, I get your point.
I will not go to a mosque. I will not go to a mosque. I will not go to church. I will address the church. I will go. I'll bow respectfully there. I have gone to a condolence meeting of a Christian church. I was not given the wine and the bread because I am not Christian. I was not offended at all. I went as a human being for my friend. I didn't get offended. Why these people get offended on something which is question of my faith?
Okay, that is fine. But you're saying, is Navratra a dancing festival? Is it a concert? No, it is. No, it isn't. But sir, in places like Maharashtra and places like Gujarat specifically, a large part of the celebrations of Navratra is the Garba. I was at a Garba last night in Vadodara. 35,000 people at a venue dancing in devotion, having a good time, everyone coming with their families. To me, it looked like a family festival. Now, if in a family festival you say मुसलमान लड़के आके हिंदू लड़कियों को छेड़ेंगे, मुझे तो खैर वहां मुसलमान लोग दिखे ही नहीं सबसे पहले. Also, if they are coming in family festivals, कहाँ छेड़ने का मौका होता है? My point is it being overhyped?
मेरे भगवान को मानते ही नहीं तो क्या आने की जरूरत है? आप बाहर करिए ना फेस्टिवल, कौन रोकता आपको?
ठीक है, okay. Mr. Sapra, would you want to respond to that? Essentially, Ratan Sharda is saying this. भाई मेरा हिंदू फेस्टिवल है, उसको हिंदू रहने दो, उसको सेक्युलराइज मत करो. आप ईद को अगर सेक्युलराइज नहीं कर रहे हो, ईद इज नॉट अ सेक्युलर फेस्टिवल, व्हाई शुड नवरात्रि be co-opted as a secular festival? Why should a Dasera be co-opted as a secular festival? नहीं चाहिए हमको.
Even Onam.
Even Onam, but Onam has been a long-standing tradition. Anyhow, I'll let Charan Singh Sapra respond to that.
Ratan Sharda's main concern is that why commercialization of Garba or Navratri? Now, this is the problem which the organizers have to settle it out. It is in Maharashtra, it is the BJP government. They should give clear verdicts for it. There's a little echo. Can you ask your team to remove the echo?
Okay, we'll ask the team to remove the echo. All right. Can I just?
So that is.
Go ahead.
That is for the government to frame a regulation in which the Navratri or the Garba will not get commercialized. Number one. Number two, whatever Nitish Rane or the other BJP leaders are talking about Garba, it is not about Garba. It is about grabbing attention, I would like to say. They just want to grab the attention of the people. They want to grab the attention of the media. And Sanatan Dharma is very pure. Sanatan Dharma doesn't talk about divisiveness. It talks about inclusiveness. So they also don't want Sanatan Dharma. Under the garb of Sanatan Dharma, they want a political drama. This is what is going on. Our Indian society is a pluralistic society. Our constitution allows freedom to practice religion, freedom of speech. We talk about Sarva Dharma Samabhav. We talk about secularism and socialism in the preamble itself. So where is the problem? This Garba is a celebration and it should be celebrated properly. Navratri is a festival of devotion, dance and diversity. Now Navratri should not be translated into a piece for moral policing. It should not be used as a moral ground or a battlefield, or the morality should not be used as a mask for hate and headline management. This is what is going on.
Okay.
The other thing is that the BJP wants to divert the attention from the real issues. The real failures of BJP, they don't want to talk on that. That's why they want to divert the attention to this polarization, so that the coming elections in Bihar, they are completely polarized. This is the main agenda of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Anila Singh, here's the point. Are you comfortable when ministers from the BJP government in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra say things like, if you come as a Muslim, but there will be on the spot Ghar Wapsi for you. We will convert you into Hinduism if you dare to come inside a Garba venue. Are you, as a BJP spokesperson, comfortable with that sort of narrative where the VHP comes out and says, tilak lagana hoga, रक्षा सूत्र पहनना होगा, गौमूत्र का छिड़काव करना होगा, उसके बाद ही आप गरबा इवेंट में जा पाएंगे. 35,000 people, 50,000 people come to every Garba celebration in Gujarat. What is the point of excluding Muslims?
My Ram to all, and Navratri, even my voice is echoing back, so if you can get it corrected, please.
Okay. Just fix your audio. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. You asked me, are you comfortable as a BJP spokesperson when a couple of the ministers or the VHP says that non-Hindus, especially and very specifically Muslims, they should not and they cannot attend the Garba festivals. Mr. Ratan Sharda has very well said that this is the festival of Hindus. All right. Mr. Chhabra said they just want to grab the attention. They just want to grab the attention. That is why they're making such statements. I don't know about which attention you are talking about, but I know one thing, they go and grab Hindu girls there. And both the state ministers and the government, they have got the realistic reasons to make statements like that. You say that we do Hindu-Muslim. अरे कांग्रेस पार्टी ने हिंदू-मुस्लिम करके 1947 में इस देश के 2 टुकड़े करवा दिए थे और अब हमसे कहते हैं कि हम हिंदू-मुस्लिम करते हैं. पहले भी अगर जाते थे तो वहां पर चीजें हुई है ना. तभी एक्शन हुआ है. When I come from Uttar Pradesh, when my chief minister says that no non-veg during Navratri, I am very comfortable. When my chief minister says you have to display your name in front of your shops, when any sort of religious yatra is conducted in Uttar Pradesh. All right. So if others have got a problem, I think this is the vote bank politics they want to conduct.
Vote bank politics क्या होती है? Is this fear mongering? I want to ask you, what is the proof that the Madhya Pradesh government have? 1 minute, Mr. Sapra. What is the proof that the Madhya Pradesh government have or the Maharashtra government have that Garbas have become the hub, the epicenter of love jihad? You show us the proof, na? You show us the proof. You tell us this has happened. My point is, how many Muslims do you actually see showing up at a Garba? They themselves will not come, given the fear mongering that has been happening for the last 6-7 years.
It's not about the fear mongering. Just now Mr. Sapra said Sanatan to bilkul all inclusive है. साहब बिल्कुल all inclusive है. तभी तो 2% से 20% हो गए यहाँ पर. और आज they are trying to dictate us. बैनर पोस्टर लेके निकलते हैं. I love Muhammad. I love Muhammad. साहब भी नहीं बोलते. I love Muhammad. When they do this thing, nobody has got a problem. उधर इस्लामिक कंट्रीज बोलते हैं हम नेटो जैसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाएंगे. They should Hindus go. कहाँ चले जाए हम भाई?
नहीं, मैं आपसे ये पूछ रही हूँ, कोई ये तो नहीं अनिला जी, I'll let Sohail come in here, but no one is saying that in a Garba festivity, when the Aarti takes place, the Muslims should be leading that Aarti. No one is saying that. I'm saying, why have a problem? Why have an intrinsic problem about Muslims coming to a Garba? That is my limited issue.
Shreya ji, they do not believe in Murti Puja. You agree?
Agree.
Garba is a festival celebrating Shakti, Ma Durga. All right. When they do not believe in Shakti Puja, and the Congress party leader, he says, हम तो शक्ति को खत्म कर देंगे, तो वहाँ किसको खत्म करने जा रहे हैं? उनके followers, उनका vote bank.
By that logic,
one of the very popular
West Bengal should, by that logic, so then West Bengal should ban Muslims from coming to pandals of Durga Puja. है ना? By that logic, even that should happen. By that logic, Mr. Charan Singh Sapra, the Sikhs should ban Hindus from coming to Gurudwaras, especially during Guru Nanak's birth anniversary, etc.
That's wrong. That's wrong. We talk about Sikhism, we talk about Buddhism, we talk about Jainism. They are practically offshoots from Sanatan Dharma. So much of common platforms are there. But talk about Islam, we are kafirs.
Sohail, would you want to respond to that? The point being made is simple. Let me just crystallize this. 1 minute, Mr. Sapra. The point being made is simple. The point is this, that the Garba is essentially a festival devoted to Devi, right? You are not idol worshippers. Then why bother? Why would you want to come?
श्रेया, मैं इसका जवाब दूंगा, मुझे कोई डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं चाहिए.
चलिए बोलिए.
I'll take 60 seconds.
बोलिए.
देखिए, पहली चीज तो जो दुर्गा माँ के भक्त होते हैं वो मोहब्बत के लिए और जुल्म के खिलाफ ठहरते हैं, और वो महिषासुर के भक्त हैं तो बराबर जुल्म करेंगे लोगों के ऊपर, चाहे मुसलमान पे रहो या हिंदू पे रहो. तो बीजेपी आरएसएस
अनिला जी, नो. अनिला जी, नो. 1 minute, Sohail. 1 minute. अनिला जी, you know the roles of engagement. नहीं, अनिला जी, 1 minute. अनिला जी, you know the rules of engagement. Heckling will not work here. I will have to dip your audio. Don't make me do it. Anila ji, you've had your say. I've asked you counter questions. Everyone has had their say. Asif will have his say as well. नहीं, बस ठीक है. Anila ji, I've heard you. Please. Where are Hindus being insulted? I'm also a Hindu and I don't feel insulted right now. रुक जाइए आप जरा. इतना जल्दी हम लोग नहीं इंसल्ट होंगे. थोड़ा बड़ा दिल रखिए. 1 minute रुकिए. Just a minute. Now let him complete, Anila ji. Otherwise I'll dip your audio. हाँ, Sohail, जाइए. Please go ahead.
देखिए, जब माँ दुर्गा के भक्त हैं वो बराबर मुसलमानों के साथ रहेंगे, सिख के साथ रहेंगे, पिछले लोगों के साथ रहेंगे. महिषासुर को जो मानते हैं, चाहे वो बीजेपी की अगर सोच महिषासुर की है या आरएसएस की है, तो उसके लिए मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूं. जो नफरत की और लोगों को तोड़ने की बात है. अब रही बात गरबा की, देखिए ना कोई रामायण में, महाभारत में, किसी में भी कोई शास्त्र में लिखा हुआ नहीं है। गरबा का एक फ्लोक फेस्टिवल है जो सालों से गुजरात में चालू हुआ और आगे बढ़ते गया। मैडम देखिए, एक स्ट्रेंथ का, एक यूनिटी का एक मैसेज दिया जाता है गरबा के तौर पे। देखिए, जब आपका पंडाल बनाते हैं मुसलमान, आपका केटरिंग करते हैं मुसलमान, आपकी सिक्योरिटी लेते हैं मुसलमान से, आप उन्हें नहीं आने देते। देखिए मैडम, क्यों डर रहे हैं? हमारे बच्चे देखिए मानते हैं हसीन और जमील है, उनको आप उनसे डरने की क्या बात है? वो बोल रहे हैं वहां आ जाएंगे हमारे मुसलमान बच्चे तो कन्वर्जन हो जाएगा। मैडम ये गलत बात है। देखिए मेरे भी दोस्त
सोहेल, सबसे पहले तो एक बात मैं आपको बताऊं, आपके अपने लोग बोल रहे हैं कि लड़कों मत जाओ, और आप लड़कियों को भेजिए ना, आप मुसलमान लड़कियों को भेजिए, उनको कौन रोकेगा गरबे में?
मैडम देखिए,
डर है ना।
मैडम देखिए,
वो अनफाउंडेड हो सकता है लेकिन डर है।
मैडम सुनिए, आप सुनिए, जब हमारे हिंदू दोस्त हैं वो जैसा हम बुलाते हैं ईद के तौर पे, बकरीद पे बिरयानी खिलाते हैं, रमजान में बुलाते हैं, तो वो लोग भी बुलाते हैं। हम खेलते नहीं है, एक जस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दी उनकी खुशी के लिए हम आते हैं। मैडम मैं आपके चैनल के द्वारा बोलना चाह रहा हूँ, मैं बराबर गरबा में जाऊंगा, मैं खुली दे रहा हूँ, वार्निंग चैलेंज कर रहा हूँ। बीजेपी और आरएसएस मुझे रोक कर बताएं आप लोग, इतने साल।
लेकिन आई कार्ड तो दिखाएंगे ना आप अपना। आसिफ जी, एक प्रॉब्लम है, बोल रहे हैं कि गलत आइडेंटिटी के अंदर जाते हैं। आप तो अपना आप तो दिखाएंगे ना आई कार्ड।
मैडम मैं बराबर, देखिए मैडम हमें बताना चाहिए, जब हमारे हिंदू भाई हमारे बचपन के साथी है, वो जब उनके फेस्टिवल में बुला रहे हैं, हम उनके साथ बैठ रहे हैं, उनके परिवार के साथ हम खेल रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो देखिए मैडम, हमें आर्टिकल 25 क्या बोल रहा है? कोई फेस्टिवल आप कोई फेस्टिवल के जो एक ओनर नहीं है, आप जो बोल दे रहे हैं।
लेकिन फिर ईद भी नहीं, फिर हम ये तो, फिर ईद सेक्युलर फेस्टिवल है या नहीं है, या वो मुस्लिम फेस्टिवल है? आप मुझे बता दो। चलो, रतन शारदा जी का ये सवाल है कि हमारा फेस्टिवल हमारा रहने दो।
मैडम देखिए, आपका फेस्टिवल बराबर है, उसको हम सर आंखों पे रखेंगे। देखिए आप किसी को रोकने की इजाजत नहीं है। मैडम एक बार टिकट लेकर जो लोगों को फ्री में नहीं।
मिस्टर शारदा, आई स्टार्टेड विद यू, आई गिव यू 20 seconds to end. ठीक है, ओके सोहेल, आई हर्ड यू, आई गिव यू 20 seconds.
Sohail did not say that Eid is a secular festival. One, secondly, he said हम हिंदू मुसलमान साथ में रहते हैं, दुर्गा की पूजा करते हैं, महिषासुर की पूजा दूसरे लोग करते हैं, महिषासुर की पूजा इनकी लेफ्टिस्ट फ्रेंड जेएनयू में करते हैं, हमको पता है। और मानखुर्द में आज की तारीख में मानखुर्द के अंदर दुर्गा पूजा के ऊपर अटैक हुआ और दुर्गा की मूर्ति तोड़ी गई, जो चारों पकड़े गए चारों मुस्लिम थे। ये आज का न्यूज है, ओके? ये हमको मत पाठ पढ़ाइए। जो अच्छे मुसलमान है, मुझे पता है एसटी हसन गलत मुसलमान है क्या? एसटी हसन ने क्या कहा? और आप कह रहे हैं प्रसाद खाएंगे क्या? वो दे टोके मत। श्रेया दिस नॉट फेयर, श्रेया दिस नॉट फेयर।
सोहेल,
यू स्टॉप अदर्स टू स्पीक। नो,
सोहेल रुक जाइए। सोहेल, नो heckling and no speaking over Mr. Sharda. Mr. Sharda, complete your point. I'll give you 10 more seconds.
So Asif knows that ST Hassan from his own party, though he comes as an analyst, he comes from SP, has said that Muslims are Muslims, this is haram. I agree with him. So you follow your religion, I follow our religion, as Muhammad that says, as supposed to have said Quran, and don't be expert on my festival, my dear friend. You don't know how Navratri is spread all over India, different ways, everywhere. I in Punjab celebrate in different way, Jammu Kashmir different way, Bengal different way. Don't try to tell me what is my religion. You stick to your religion and expertise.
Okay, you know, we've heard all sides. I think our viewers are smart enough to decide what they want to think, but it's good that we've got all points of views in. Thank you very much, Anila Singh, Ratan Sharda, Charan Singh Sapra and Asif Sohail for joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Sapra, mera show khatam ho gaya. Thank you.